The Italian army took a significant step forward in modernizing its air defense capabilities by awarding Rheinmetall a contract to supply the advanced Skynex air defense system. The first order, valued at €73 million, includes cutting-edge surveillance sensors, command and control systems, and 35mm Revolver Gun Mk3 cannons. Additionally, the contract holds an option for 3 more systems, potentially bringing the total value to nearly €280 million. Italy becomes the first NATO member to adopt the Skynex system paired with the 35mm Revolver Gun Mk3 cannons, marking a milestone in air defense. This move highlights Italy's commitment to strengthening its ground-based air defense capabilities, protecting against a broad range of modern threats including drones, missiles, and loitering munitions. The first system is scheduled for delivery in the second quarter of 2026, with the possibility of additional systems being ordered in 2027. The Skynex system is a major step forward in short-range air defense. Its advanced 3D XTAR radar can detect and identify threats up to 50 kilometers away, providing operators with real-time data to make quick, precise decisions. The system is equipped with 4 35mm Revolver Gun Mk3 cannons, capable of firing 1,000 rounds per minute, with a range of up to 4 kilometers. The use of programmable ahead ammunition ensures high accuracy at a significantly lower cost compared to missile systems. Skynex's modular design allows for the integration of additional sensors and effectors, ensuring flexibility and future scalability. This system has already proven its effectiveness in Ukraine, where it successfully engaged a wide range of aerial threats under challenging conditions. Beyond air defense, Rheinmetall sees additional opportunities in Italy, particularly in the modernization of heavy combat vehicles. With plans to equip the Italian armed forces with next-generation Lynx infantry fighting vehicles and new main battle tanks, Rheinmetall is poised for significant growth in Italy, where it already generates over €1 billion in annual sales. Italy's adoption of the Skynex system not only strengthens its own defense capabilities but also solidifies the system's place as a new international standard for air defense. As NATO members continue to adopt this cutting-edge technology, the Skynex system is set to play a critical role in the future of modern warfare.